Yo, I puff, pass it to these young bucks, rapping with the bloodlust. Tragic how I'm rapping to these dumb fucks. Kiddo makers known to bring the ruckus. Paint masterpieces like Michelangelo with bloody nunchucks. Unless there's women involved, never see sun touch. Dark outside, but shining just like the sun's up. Niggas hear my flow start dumping they shit, just like they heard the cops outside and it's a drug bust. Knockout king, you cop out sing. Clown wanna be kings trying to pop out bling. You can bring your mans in them, make it suitable odds. Fuck around, I might Mike Vick you and your dogs. She say I'm so fresh and so clean. Chop it up and screw it like messing with codeine. Trying to hold me back, shit, it takes the whole nation. I hit a couple blunts and I'm back in the rotation like that.
Shit ain't even dropping, they already hate. It's the lyrical Eddie Blake, throwing daggers at a steady rate. Get it straight, bitches, the heroes running this shit. Son is gifted with the skill to sun your district. He can bend time and space when sun is lifted. Iron take all the weed and fall like an iron weight, then I am straight off of that. Scarf at cats with they non-fat tapes, trying to get paid off of that. I got the Matic rifle spit, burning holes through the mic and shit, while you reach for the kids like Michael did. The mic disciple kids bring the light to the lifelessness, eliminate the bullshit with priceless spit. Christ can spit, he probably wreck it better than we, but we a close second, better believe competitors be. Step and fetch it, can't respect your method. Yo, check this record, my magnificent set perfection.
Yo, from episode 1 to the Death Star reruns, I ain't Anakin, but I'm at it again. The perfect gentleman, cracking the pen, rapping with friends, and yes, we are the Most High's children, blessed with decisions for positive influences over Cinderella, old flick, puffing on a cigarella, acapella, went into a Cinderella, got the rhymes in the holster, posted up like mafioso on the most wanted posters, and all she wanted was a little closure, puffing doja with the soldiers, end up overdosing over the counter. They found her drowning in the sea of MCs. It used to be this you and she, living life so lavishly, chasing at the cavity. Now you're standing at her eulogy, looking foolishly, broken hearted. No words could be spoken for the dearly departed. It's unusual, feeling stupid and trapped in the cubicle.
See me, I'll dominate a dominatrix with the basics. Got a lot of mana, mama wanna take it where it's sacred. In fact, I flip raps like I spit game. Pussy posse's a sloppy, get down, clown, I'm insane. Maybe I'm Rick James doing big things, big change on the grind, money. Check the pit stains, fame, me, not all that interested. Intricate mind control, flow, souls, infinite type. Romance the dance, put a dim in the light. Ask my baby cakes tonight, I'm turning sinners to light. From the inner sight, so don't play me for a fool, man. Everything I touch blow up like Tim the Tool, man. Cool it, man, damn, I'm attacking the track. Like a hatchet, I'ma hack it till my back is collapsed. Either that or till I crack or have an asthma attack. Actual fact, jack that, rap passion is back, it's John P.